Welcome back, my creatives. I am Elizabeth, and today we're going to make a design using the Imagination Art app, where we're going to be creating a character, and then we're going to be using the Party Studio Creator because my client wants bags of chips. But on the bag of chips, she wants a design of her child because it's for a birthday party. All right, so we're going to start off going to the Imagination Art app. This art app, you can find it in my Stan store. It is only $27, and you can create beautiful characters with this application, or you can become part of the Party Favor Club in my school community, which you'll also find the link below, and you'll have this application for free and a couple others for free as well. So as long as you are part of the premium club, you are able to get these applications for free. All right, so let's start here. All right, I know that my client, the child's name is Marcos, and his theme is cats. Marcos loves cats. So she said, make a design involving cats. I asked, what colors do you want to use? His colors are turquoise. That's the whole birthday party decorations. It's turquoise, white, and black. All right, so those are the colors we're going to be using. So now there is no specific design that she wants. She just said, make it have cats. I want to use the colors of turquoise, black, and white. And that is what we're going to be creating today. So we can start by saying a casual style is fine. Cartoon type. Now, these are the different types of cartoon types we can create. If you don't want a specific cartoon type, our AI generator will go ahead and create one for us, but we can pick a Pixar, we can do a hand-drawn cartoon, a CGI cartoon character. If it's for girls, I do recommend you use like the Bratz, if it's like a young teenage girl that likes lipstick and eyeliner. If not, I would recommend like a Precious Moments or a hand-drawn cartoon. So in this case, we're going to say hand-drawn cartoon. The child's age is 11. So we're just going to say child. It's a male. Ethnicity, I know they are Hispanic. Skin color, you can pick a skin color on here. I know she had sent me an image. He's light-skinned, so we're just going to do light-skinned. Soft natural light is fine. Hairstyle, he has a very short taper haircut. We'll do that. The hair color is brown. Eye color is hazel. Body type slim. Facial features, you really have to look at the picture. I didn't see any facial features. We'll just leave that one blank. No makeup. It's a boy. Outfit. We can put on here a t-shirt with a cat. We'll say playful cat. And then we'll see what AI does for us. A t-shirt with a playful cat imprint. All right, shoes, we'll say some Nike sneakers, holiday theme, none, expression, happy smile. Accessories, we won't add anything there. No jewelry, tattoos, no. Eye style, normal, expressive eyes is fine. Hair crown, no. Background, we don't want a background because we're going to create our own. So pose, you can look at all of these different options. We can say arms crossed, camera angles, full body shot, color palette. I would say vibrant colors. Okay, let's just check and make sure everything's good. We can review. All right, so color-wise, it didn't give us, but we're going to see, where can we add expression mode, colors, jewelry details, and background. but we don't want a background. Those camera angles. Where can we add the colors? I think we're gonna have to go back to the clothing. Yeah, let's do the clothing here. Okay. We'll repeat the same thing. A t-shirt with playful cats and use the colors turquoise, black, white. Red. Alrighty. Okay, well, good. So let's go ahead and copy that prompt. And now we're gonna go in ChatGPT for that design to pop up. All right, we have received our image from ChatGPT, image of this little boy. If you feel like you need to make some adjustments, you can. This is your chance. But right now, it's very similar. If you want it to be more of a character, you can choose Pixar. So if you feel like maybe it's a slightly different than what the actual child looks like, then choose Pixar, because now if you choose Pixar, that will definitely look like a cartoon character, and there is no big differences when it comes to features. But so far so good. So I'm going to click on this image, and now I'm going to download it. Next thing I'm going to do is go to the Party Studio Creator. This is a Party Studio Creator here. We're going to click on Bag of Chips, and we're just going to say casual style, additional elements, add cats. And then the name is Marcos. It's a birthday. Okay. And it's an invitation. When is this date? Second Saturday of August, which is second Saturday of August is the 8th. So we're going to do Saturday, August 2027. The time is 5 p.m. Location. We're just going to make up a location instead of using the actual. Okay, RSVP. Make up a number. And the colors, here we go. Turquoise, black, white. Turquoise, black, and white. All right, now in this case, we're going to say, yes, use my image as a design inspiration. We're going to keep it in English, add matching clip art details. Do we want watercolor style? No, we're actually going to say add a bold, colorful style. We will create our template prompt. We're going to come back to the ChatGPT, the same place where we generated the image. Okay, so we're not going to go on to a new ChatGPT page. We're going to stay with the same one. We're going to paste our prompt here, and then we will wait for that invitation to pop up. So, all right, here we go. This is the bag of chips that our Party Studio Creator has created for us. So I think it looks amazing. It's using the colors that the client asked for. We're using the character that we created with the Imagination Art app. It's got the kid's name. It's got a really cute QR code and cats everywhere. So this is a perfect example of what this application can do, guys. You don't have to be a graphic designer. You don't have to analyze a lot of things. Now, if for any reason this is not what the client wants, they want something different. Perhaps they just want black cats, for example, not blue or white cats. All you have to do is type in any edits that your client is requesting, If you feel like this character is not the character that she wants or he wants, you can go back to the Imagination Art app and recreate another character. Keep in mind that whenever clients are requesting edits, you give them a limit of edits that can be done. So if you are way off, then okay, yeah, I understand. You didn't follow their instructions, but if you are very close, give them up to 3 edits when it comes to images of their kids or image or edits on the actual design. So or tell them every additional edit would be an additional $4, $3, $5, whatever you want, just to avoid them requesting additional edits, because there can be very picky clients that will say, well, I don't want the cat here. I want the cat on top. I don't want the word meow. I don't want a heart. I don't, things like that. And if you start charging them or tell them right from the beginning, every additional edit would be an additional $3. The first two edits are free. Any additional edits would be an additional $3 per edit, just to kind of limit them from submitting requests. But if the client wasn't very specific, they said, here's a picture of my kid, please make him, make him stand out in the wrapper. This is for the bag of chips. You're going to recreate it. And if they want their actual picture, instead of you putting in the actual image that you created in ChatGPT, then you can just put in their actual image for them to be on here. All right, guys. So I hope you guys liked this tutorial, and I will see you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.